Hi everyone, I'm Sakun Sen, a senior marketing specialist at Open Door Technology, and in today's video, I'll be highlighting how to master Copilot for Microsoft Dynamics 365. To start, let's highlight what Copilot is, which is your everyday AI companion built into Microsoft tools you use daily that include Teams, Outlook, PowerPoint, Word, and Excel. So let's dive into a quick demo where I will showcase how to utilize Copilot with effective prompts, starting off with PowerPoint. So as an example, here I'm going to click on the Copilot icon and create a presentation for a company retreat to Turks and Caicos. You'll see now that in seconds I have a full presentation with pages that fit the requirement, such as getting there, flight details. Once you have this template, you can now customize these pages completely to your liking, and you save so much time rather than just starting from scratch. Now let's get into Copilot for Word. Here you can research and create articles with quick prompts on any topic. As an example here, I'm going to ask Copilot, what is the average cost for a trade show booth in the US? And you'll see in seconds, we'll have some information on the topic. And this can be used for any range of topics with any specific prompts. The more specific, the better. Moving now to Copilot for Teams, there's tons of useful features already built in. So now, after a meeting with team members, you can summarize meetings, which will highlight the key takeaways. And you'll see in seconds, it will summarize the meeting. Next, you can see it'll also prompt me to give action items for the team. And I can even take it further by asking Copilot now to send me links that we've shared in the meeting as well. So all the different promo items that we discussed will now get sent to me in link format. This feature is super useful as I personally use it daily to stay organized. With Copilot for Outlook, you can now summarize emails that have been shared with the team, as well as even create replies to emails. I'm going to show you an example of this in the demo as well. So if I go into this email here I had with the webinar that we recently just hosted, you can see it will quickly summarize the email with a quick prompt on Copilot right over here. I can then also now reply to the email, and it's going to understand the context of the email and draft up a reply for me quickly, whether it's I'm attending the webinar or whether I can't make it. It'll quickly give you those prompts and respond to the email. Lastly, with Copilot for Excel, the options are limitless. Copilot can study your data and analyze it for trends. In this example, I've just downloaded some sample data here, and you'll see that Copilot will quickly give me some data insights. I could ask it for specific prompts as well. So here I'm going to ask it actually to give me the best-selling products with the highest inventory. And you'll see in seconds here, I'll get all that information. This is super useful because it's going to actually help you save so much time and energy that it would take you otherwise to sort the data manually. Safe to say the options for Copilot are endless. It's really going to make your company more productive, and I can specifically see a lot of value here for the sales and marketing teams. Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like to contact our team, we have our info here provided. And if you'd like to see more content like this, you can follow our YouTube channel for more. Have a great day.